Kevin. Adam. Sean. Only if I can spell it. Suck. S-U-C-K-S. Yeah, see, he knows. He knows. 30 seconds down. I'll start calling it out in a minute. Dang, that blue truck looks like it's moving. That was Adam, and he is on a 26.2 that time around. I thought that thing was flying across that back roller. He must have found the right tires. Well, speaking of right tires. That's what I was forgetting. Oh man. Not even over here. Oh well. It's all the way across the park.
4 minutes left.
4 to go, 4 to go. We got Adam and Kevin resetting TQ with Sean bringing up the rear. His favorite spot. Hashtag third. What?
Oh!
I hope you got that on the GoPro too. Did it record audio or just video?
Both.
Yay! You come by and blow a raspberry in it while you're driving. Still, oh no, Kevin, Adam, Sean now. Kevin and Adam separated by 2.5. Sean only 2.0 behind him. Next up will be our first heat of stock two-wheel drive buggy. There was a restart, so make sure you check. Our first round will be Adam, Bobby, Jason, Patrick, and Tamika. Round 2 will be Dustin in the TQ, Kevin, Brad, Daniel, Travis, and Justin Mond. We'll start charging that now. Halfway drivers, 230 down, 230 to go. We got Kevin in that number 1 spot, followed closely by Adam, 1.2 behind him, and then Sean, 3.8 behind that. Overall, 4.9 first to third. Kevin's got that all white TLR moving. I think he might have stuck a 4-wheel drive stadium truck in that 2-wheel drive body. So that thing is flying.
Two minutes left.
2 to go, 2 to go. Kevin Jensen currently 1.2 seconds over his last round PQ pace. I'm stepping off nice and clean, coming towards that not tabletop. Or not pyramid. I don't know what we're gonna call that thing. .180 wedge. Fast lap on the track. Kevin Jensen 25.2. Adam Hughes 25.4. Sean Mann 27. Alright. You need a pit board. I tried to get you to get that last one. I tried to get you to get the last one, the Easy Custom pad, but you wouldn't listen. They're the same fucking price, though. 35 to go. Kevin, Adam, Sean. Kevin and Adam both still on that new TQ pace. Yeah, slacker, there was a resort. If you was faster, use in the second one.
Well, I heard my name.
20 seconds. I'm gonna need at least 2 volunteer marshals, guys. I only got 3 drivers. I will need marshal help. Next up is our first round of 17.5 two-wheel drive buggy heat 2. Oh, we got donuts in the burn by
The
Adam.
race is over.
Keep going, Adam. Don't stop.
Three's done. One's done.
Kevin's done. Sean's done. Waiting on Adam in that number 2.
Two's done.
That's a wrap. Kevin, Adam, Sean. 1, 2, 3.